crater of the volcano. I thought it would be a lot warmer up here, but it's actually pretty cool. Chill breeze. Bit way
Don't go too close. Snap.
Jenica, bon coup pour ça, ready? Bon coup boy. Oh. Okay. Ready? Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye. Oh. Oh.
We were there at the pier with the ocean waves. I said invariably every year, and when two people are fabulous swimmers, they die. They do not understand in the waters where they die. Well, they don't die. They die. No, they do die. They crack their neck. Because they think they're a good swimmer, they think they know what they're doing, and they didn't practice in the ocean, and they crack their neck on the ocean waves.
He's been swimming in the ocean.
Yeah, we've been swimming out there.
Before he lived in Missouri, he lived in California for a while, so he's had, but they've been swimming the last 3 days out there in the ocean.
So that just freaked me out.
He's doing a half one. On our way back, we're stopping in Arizona, and he's doing a half Ironman.
And then, of course, my son's more athletic, obviously, and I called him and I said, "Hey, around the world, there's so many people care to be in good shape."
Gary, we got some Missourians that want to take a picture with you.
Yeah, we're all from down that way.
This way, when you win, we'll say, we know this person.
Hurricane adds to Shusty. It adds texture to our vacation. I've never been here before. Good luck to you.
Hey, did you see the run yesterday morning? The
No.
underpants run? They did the underpants.
Underpants run.
The rainbow, which brought tears to my eyes, was
Boy, they come up with all kinds of runs. Underpants run. We come up with the Ojo run. And it's good for New Mexico. Hey. With your Mark Green Kitty memes.
And I don't know how it was there. It was just unbelievable. And we didn't, it was an accident.
So this is the volcano and the house is right here. So it could come like that.